Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you saw my video on the tablecloth, go ahead and check it out for my Mahjong set here. But the tablecloth is good by itself, but you need a cover, something on top if you want. I think it might be helpful. And I got something in the mail just the other day, and it came in this bag here. So a couple pros and cons. I would like a hard tube. This is a plastic paper, like a plastic bag. This is how it came in, and it was kind of folded. So those were the pros and the cons. Not the best way to ship it, in my opinion, but the quality of the item is okay for the price point, because some of these can be very expensive for the good quality ones. This one is, I would say, is a fair quality, but I want to show it to you anyway, just to see what I got in the mail. So this is how it came, and it was kind of folded up, so I didn't really care for that. And I have to tell you the good and the bad in this channel. It can't always be good. There has to be some bad. And this one here is probably not perfect, but it's decent. So let me just show you, take it out of the bag. And you can see this bag here. It's really like this, they have much better tubes instead of a bag, but it's okay for the price point, like I said. Here is the actual mat. Here's the mat itself. I want to show you. Here is the thickness. Pretty good quality. It's got that almost that consistency of a mouse pad, kind of, but not as thick. It's got a rubber backing to it. So if you put it on a table, let's say like a hard table, it won't slip, which is good. This is a tablecloth, so this does move a little bit. So that gives a little flexibility. And let me just lay it out, show you what it looks like, give you an idea. Let me just spread it out for you. So you can get an idea of the pattern we got here. This one here is a different pattern, and they have all kinds of these online, so definitely check them out. Okay guys, so I have it laid out here. You can see it on the table how it looks. Just be aware, when I got this, it was kind of folded, and it has some creasing marks right here. And you can see, hopefully you can see those creasing marks right there, and hopefully those will come out over time. I don't know, we're gonna check it out. Again, here's some of the printing on it. It says Charleston, it has walls left, right play, and then it has some printing on it, option to pass. It has dragons, cracks, bams, green, white dots, things like that. Just a little bit of wording from Mahjong. If you play Mahjong, you know what those things are. The print quality's okay. Again, there are better quality ones in my opinion. This one, for the price point, is okay. I wouldn't say, from 0 to 10, I'll say like a 5, right in the middle. The reason why this was kind of attractive to me, because it had free returns if I didn't like it. I would say 80% of these don't have free returns. So be careful. You have to pay to return it if you don't like it. So be very, very careful. And I think because a lot of times they're coming like this, and there's issues, and people are returning them. And I think the companies are not having that. So I think that might be the theory behind it. But this is what it looks like. So if you don't mind this type of quality, it's okay to keep. But if you're looking for a higher quality, you might want to step up and spend a little bit more money. Ranging, prices are all over the place. They just range from the lowest to the highest. The print quality is on here. You can see it's okay. Some of them, it's a little bit muted. Just to be fair and transparent, guys, not everything here on this channel can be perfect. And it's just good for, I would say, if you're starting out in Mahjong and you just want a mat to get going, this might be a good option for you. So that's what I have. This is just a quick review. If you enjoyed this type of reviews, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this channel for more videos like this to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to make a decision if something like this might be good for you or not. And that's what I have. Appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow the channel. And there will be links for these. So if you do purchase it, we do get a small commission. It's an affiliate link, and it does help the channel. But, give it a shot. You just have free returns, so it might be good enough for you. All right, guys. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.